First, people want answers about that outbreak of Legionella cases. Residents in a Fulshear community say they are frustrated over the response to the outbreak at a clubhouse in the area.
Yeah, it's located in a community for people 55 and older. Now we're hearing of a wrongful death lawsuit being filed. We were first to alert you about this outbreak Thursday after a concerned viewer emailed us. Janelle Bluda joining us now. She's following the story again today. Janelle.
Yeah, guys, well, residents say they're fed up with the lack of communication and say they can't believe they weren't told that someone died.
Nobody gave us any word. We had zero communications from anybody.
Frank Miller, a resident of the Bonterra at Cross Creek Ranch community, says they were all left in the dark.
The transparency is, for all purposes, non-existent.
After an outbreak of Legionella was found at their community clubhouse.
They had the normal bingo game scheduled here and expect 100, 150 people. This was known to them a week before. They didn't shut the place down.
The health department hasn't confirmed the exact source of the outbreak, but says they now have 4 confirmed cases and 4 probable cases of Legionellosis, which is 1 more than yesterday. Legionella is a bacteria that can grow and spread in human-made water systems like community pools. It can cause Legionnaire's disease, a very serious type of pneumonia. The health department says a person diagnosed with Legionnaire's disease has passed away, but they don't yet know their actual cause of death. Lawyers for the family tell us the person who died was Antoinette Marinchak. A friend who didn't want to be identified knew her as Annie, saying she was a lively neighbor who was always involved.
She was always at every card game, the games. She went on a cruise. She went on the casino trip. She loved life. She was full of life.
Miller says they were never told about the death. KHOU 11 News was also not initially told that someone passed away. We asked the Fort Bend County Health Department why that was not disclosed to us initially. Today they responded saying they have not received a death certificate that identified Legionnaire's disease as the cause of that death, saying it is very important that they do not share any information that might lead people to believe that an unconfirmed association exists. But Miller says they still should have told them.
Up until this moment, we haven't got zero notification that there was a death.
We've also received a response from the Bonterra HOA who tells us they were instructed by the county to close the pool late in the evening on June 28th after the bingo night, and say out of an abundance of caution early the following morning of the 29th, they went beyond the county's recommendation and closed the entire clubhouse. They say to their knowledge, none of the presently confirmed and probable cases are attributable to the bingo night. They say the county is actively working to provide a mitigation plan and they look forward to implementing that as soon as possible. We've also received late word from Mrs. Marinchak's lawyers that a wrongful death lawsuit has been filed in the outbreak. We will put everyone's full statements on our website at khou.com. Guys, back to you.
All right, Janelle, following the story today. Thank you.